Yes, good morning friends. Today I am going to discuss integrals of some particular functions. This is the second video of the integrations. Okay, na? Today class I will going to discuss integral of some particular functions. There are the 6 particular functions are there. The proof of these 6 particular functions are very important on the basis of the board exams. In these 6, any one will be sure for the 5 marks question. Okay. Now let me move on to the first one. Now let me move on to the first one. It is the integration of dx by x square minus a square is equal to 1 by 2a log of mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. Just what I want to prove, I will write here. Just LHS of that one. 1 by x square minus a square. Just I will split the denominator. It is on the base of a square minus b square is there. That is an x plus a into x minus c. Just now I will arrange this one. Denominator as it is, I will write x plus a into x minus a. Numerator x plus a, I will write now minus of x minus a. Now what will happen? This is the minus x, this is the plus x, get cancelled. Minus into minus, it becomes plus. The a plus a to a. Then in the numerator 2a will be there. To get a cancel of that one, 1 by 2a divided by 1 by 2a. Now after simplification, you left with the same as it is what is there in the above. That's what just I will make an arrangement to. Now just now 1 by 2a as it is, x by a by separate, just splitting the terms. X by a get cancelled. What is left? 1 by x minus a in the first term. The second term, x minus a get cancelled. What is left? 1 by x plus a will left. Now this is the LHS of an integral. Now I will integrate this one. Integration of 1 by 2a is an as it is constant. That's why integration of 1 by x minus a dx minus integration of 1 by x plus a dx. Now keep 1 by 2a as it is. What is the integration of 1 by x minus a? That is the log x minus a, mod x minus a, minus same as the integration of 1 by x plus a is the log mod x plus a. Okay, now plus c. Now do you know that log m minus log n is a log m by n? That is the 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a mod plus c. Arbitrary cause. This is a proof of first problem. Now let me move on to the second one. This one. Same what I arranged in the last problem, same thing you have to arrange. You have to take an LHS here. That is an 1 by a square minus x square. In the denominator same, that is in the a square minus b square. That's why I will write it as an a plus x into a minus x. Okay, now same what I arranged in the last problem, same thing. Denominator I am writing as it is a plus x into a minus x. Here in the numerator I will write a plus x plus a minus x. I don't want to write a minus here because minus x is there, a plus x is there, it will get cancelled. What is left with a plus a 2a? That's why I will divide by the 2a. You know, be careful when first problem it is a minus, here plus. Now just I will split the terms 1 by 2a as it is. This is a plus x in the first term get cancelled. What is left? 1 by a minus x will left plus same way 1 by a plus x will left This is the LHS of the given integral. Now I will integrate that one. 1 by 2a is common. Then integration of first one, that is the integration of 1 by a minus x dx plus integration of 1 by a plus x dx. Then I will keep 1 by 2a as it is. Integration of 1 by a minus x is a log a minus x. Here minus x is there, again you should integrate, that is an, that's why it become minus. Be careful. Okay, na? Plus we get 1 by a plus x is a log mod a plus x. Here plus 1 plus x is there. Sign will not change us. Here minus x is there. Be careful. That's why minus will come. Plus c. Now 1 by 2a. Here what is there? Here minus here. Minus log m plus log n. Like that. Log. In the numerator you will get a plus x. Because this is plus is there. This is minus is that a minus x plus c. Now, this is the proof of second in particular integral. Okay, now let me move on to the third one. In this case, here x square plus a square is there. Be careful. This is one idea to remember. Plus is there means you have to take an x is equal to a tan theta. X is equal to a tan theta. Do you know that what is the differentiation of tan inverse theta? It is an 1 by 1 plus x square. On the basis of that only you can remember. Otherwise, if it is a plus is there, just you take an x plus a tan theta. Sorry, x is equal to a tan theta. Now, if you differentiate, what you will get? Dx is equal to a differentiation of tan theta is equal to secant square theta d theta. Now I will write a given integral, that is an dx. In the place of dx, what we can write? It is an a secant square theta d theta whole divided by x is what is there? X means a tan theta. Is it right? That is an a square tan square theta. This a square as it is. Now integration of a secant square theta d theta whole divided by a square. I will take a common here. What is left? Tan square theta plus 1. 1a get cancelled. What is left? 1 by a is a constant. I will take common. What is left? Secant square theta d theta by. Do you know that 1 plus tan square theta is a secant square theta? Secant square theta get cancelled. That is a left with 1. 1 by a integration of 1 d theta. 1 by a integration of d theta is an theta 1 theta plus c. Then 1 by a. What is the theta value from this? Can we find? That is an x by a is equal to tan theta. It implies that theta is equal to tan inverse x by a. That is the theta is equal to tan inverse x by a plus c. This is the third proof. Now let me move on to the fourth. Here in the just blindly I am telling, it is not sure that if it is a minus is there in the numerator, in the denominator, it is x square minus a square, otherwise a square minus x square, whatever it is, minus is there, just you take an x is equal to a sec theta. This is one of the trick to remember, that's all. X is equal to a secant theta. Now, if it differentiate, you will get a dx is equal to a. What is the differentiation of secant theta? Secant theta into tan theta d theta. Now I will fill in the given integral dx. What is there? A secant theta into tan theta d theta. It is the dx value. Then square root of x square. What is there? A square secant square theta minus a square as it is. Now integration. Numerator I am writing as it is. A secant theta into tan theta d theta whole divided by I will take a square common. From the square root, if I take an a square common, that becomes a square root of secant square theta minus 1. Now a get cancelled. Yes, secant square theta minus 1. What will be left? That is the tan square theta. Do you know that one? Integration of secant theta into tan theta d theta whole divided by what is the secant square theta minus 1? That is the tan square theta. Now square root get cancelled. Tan theta get cancelled. What is left? Left with the secant theta d theta. Is it right? Now what is the integration of secant theta? Integration of secant theta is as log secant theta plus tan theta plus c1. Okay, now log what is the secant theta value is from this, if it is a it will go to this side, that is an x by a. That is a secant theta is an x by a plus tan theta. What we can write in terms of secant theta means, do you know that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta? Then what we can write? Secant square root of secant square theta minus 1 if it is a tan theta plus c1. Now it is an log x by a plus square root of what is an x square by a square. We know that secant theta value is an x by a minus 1 plus c1. Now this becomes is equal to log x by a plus x by a plus, now I will take an LCM, that is an x square minus a square by, if I take an a square as an LCM, then afterwards only a x square minus a square you got. Square root of a square is an a, that is a plus c1 plus c1. Okay, now is equal to LCM. I will take an a as an log, what is left? Mod x plus root x square minus a square by a plus c1. Now do you know that this is a log m by log n? That is a log x plus root x square minus a square minus log a plus c1. Log a nothing but a constant, is c1 also constant. In the place of that one, what we write? Log x plus root x square minus a square on plus, in the place of that one I will write c. This is an integration of dx by root x square minus a square is a log x plus root x square minus a square. You got it? Now let me move on to the fifth one. This one. Now fifth one is there, root a square minus x square is there. Okay. See, here in the place of this one x is equal to, I will take as an a sin theta. How can we predict this one means, just do you know that differentiation of sin inverse theta on the basis of that one. You know? Now I will differentiate this one. Dx is equal to a differentiation of sin theta is an cos theta d theta. Now I will fill given integration dx value is a cos theta d theta by square root of an a square. What is the value of x? That is a sin theta. That is a square sin square theta. Now integration of numerator I will write as it is a cos theta d theta whole divided by. Now a square I will take from the a square is a common. Afterwards a square I will take a common from the root, that become a, that is the square root of 1 minus sin square theta will be left. Now again a get cancelled. Integration of cos theta d theta y. Do you know that what is the 1 minus sin square theta? That is the cos square theta. Square root get cancelled, then again cos theta get cancelled. What is left with? That is the left with the d theta. What is the integration of d theta? That is the theta plus c. Now what is the theta value from which can we find? That is the x by a is equal to sin theta. Then theta value is equal to sin inverse x by a. Then theta is equal to sin inverse x by a, then plus c. Be careful. The integration of dx by root a square minus x square is equal to sin inverse x by a plus c. Now let me move on to the sixth one. Now again I told you that here plus is there. Plus is there means what you have to take an x value. Should take an x value as in tan theta, a tan theta. X is equal to a tan theta. If it is plus is there, minus is there. Once you got an a secant theta, a sin theta is there. Okay, it may get confused, but whenever the here plus is there, okay na, then if you have to take an a tan theta, this is an only trick to remember. That's all. It is not an SD. Now x again I will differentiate. Dx is equal to a. What is the differentiation of tan theta? Secant square theta d theta. Now I will fill in the given integral, that is the dx value is an a secant square theta d theta divided by square root of an x value is an a square tan square theta plus a square. Then integral a secant square theta d theta divided by. Now from the square root I will take an a square I will take a common, become a square root of an tan square theta plus 1. A get cancelled. Then integration of secant square theta by root tan square theta plus 1 d theta. Do you know that tan square theta plus 1 is the secant square theta? Okay. Now secant square theta integration of d theta divided by, this is the secant square theta, again square root get cancelled, so only secant theta will left. 1 secant theta will left. Integration of secant theta d theta. What is the integration of secant theta? That is the log secant theta plus tan theta plus c. Now here log, do you know that what is the tan theta? That is an x by a. If a will come to this side, that is in the place of tan theta I will write an x by a. What is the secant theta? Do you know that 1 plus tan square theta secant square theta? Then secant theta is equal to square root of 1 plus, otherwise x square by a square plus c. That is equal to log just 1 plus tan square, in the place of tan square x square by a square I wrote, that's all. Log x by a plus square root of a square plus x square by a square. I am taking a square as an LCM plus c1 log. Then from the square root, if I taken a square common means that become a. That is again I will take an a as an LCM. What is left? X plus square root of an a square plus x square plus c1. Now this is a log m by log n. That is a log m minus log n. That is a log x plus root a square plus x square minus log a plus c1. Minus log a plus c1 is a constant. They are constant. That's why I will keep as a c. Log x plus a square plus x square. Both are constant. This one. That's why plus c. Now, this is the proof of this sixth one. Okay, now, listen, friends, these six are very important as a purpose of the exam. Proof of this one. Now, next examples and the next we will continue with the next video. Thank you so much.